you guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to Style with Sakshi. If you guys have been following my journey on Instagram for the last 10-15 days, you'd know that it's like a festive madhouse going on my Instagram. I've been posting so much of festive Indian content, so it was about time that I got another video for my YouTube audience. This time around, I'm actually going to mix home decor and fashion all together, all under a budget, because I know you guys love that. Putting together looks under a budget, whether it's for festive wear, whether it's for wedding season. Wedding season is going on right now. If you want something to wear like in between functions, if you want something to wear as a guest, putting together outfits under a budget. When I say under a budget, I genuinely mean under a budget, because you know Indian wear can be really expensive, right? This time around, I've put together looks which are literally clothes under 5,000, and if you really go heavy with accessorizing, वो तो depend करता है आपके ऊपर कि कितना accessorize करते हो, and you can maximum go up to like 10,000. 10,000 में आपको बहुत ही amazing look बन जाएगा. I'm gonna show you about 6 to 7 looks. I don't even know, but like a lot of looks in this video. I got all of these looks on a budget from Nykaa Fashion, from the Nykaa Fashion app. Also, I'm really liking Nykaa Fashion right now because you know they're promoting this thing called Nakhre Wali, and Nakhre Wali का meaning यही होता है, if you like something, if you really want to go for it, Nakhre Wali is really are specific about the things that they want and then they choose. I know as a community, we're all Nakhre Walis. We're very specific about the things we want, and especially when it comes to fashion and also breaking stereotypes while expressing our fashion sense is so important to us as a community. Of course, links are in the description box below, but before that, I really want to get into all the home decor stuff. You already know, my YouTube audience knows that how passionate I really am about home decor. This is something that will really truly interest you. Also, I know for a fact that home decor is something that people are genuinely really interested in nowadays because you're spending the most time at home. So it's very important to kind of make a space that you feel really good and cozy in, and it looks beautiful. Let's get right into the video. For the first outfit, I'm literally wearing the color of festivities. Orange is such an underrated yet still beautiful color. Star shine of this outfit is obviously the dupatta that adds such grace to this outfit because of its fabric and its print. I paired it with some statement earrings which has a little bit of green in it to add just like a pop of color, and a golden potli to tie the entire look together. Also played a little with the dupatta drape. For the next outfit, this is literally such a trend right now where your dupatta print matches the overall print of the suit. Now this is again very trendy. This color really stands out, and I remember wearing it to one of my office pujas, and then everybody was just like complimenting me on how beautiful this suit is, and it truly is. I paired it with some really nice pearl drop earrings just to kind of match the entire look together because there's a little bit of white in the entire outfit, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and it's so beautiful. The next outfit could be your saved outfit for next year's Karwa Chauth. I swear to God, it's perfect. Or if you're attending a wedding as a guest and you don't know what to wear for the Mehndi function, this could be the perfect look. I love how modern yet classy the neck detail is. The chunni completely ties the entire look together. It's so starry, it's so feminine, and it's so beautiful. I've paired it with some really nice Kundan Indian earrings, necklace, very minimal, and a potli bag that kind of ties the entire look together. Do you believe me if I told you that this outfit was actually under a budget? Now this is perfect for if you have to attend a wedding as a guest or even as a close friend. It has a skirt, for crying out loud. It's beautiful. You can totally twirl around in it. I've really gone a little overboard with the jewelry just to make it a little more glamorous with a mang tika, a choker, and some little matching earrings. But this overall outfit, this color really looks stunning. This black suit is definitely my favorite out of the entire video, honestly, because it fits so great. It looks amazing. Black and white combination never fails. And third, because the jewelry just stands out and completely transforms the entire look. Even if I've gone overboard with the jewelry, it still looks perfect and it still looks super balanced. I've added signature earrings, choker, layered jewelry, and a shiny potli, and it looks super classy. This is truly the era of nath and comfortable clothing. Who said you can't wear an anarkali suit to somebody's wedding? These colors truly are Indian wedding appropriate. Pink and orange put together along with some really royal jewels. Nath with earrings which has a little bit of green in it. The necklace is so stunning. Bangles, ring, the entire look is just so royal and so classy. Very Indian wedding appropriate. Let's move on to the home decor. Now coming on to my favorite part, which is the home decor for the festive season. I've used this cake stand to put my mithai on it. I laddu. You can actually serve it to guests and it'll, trust me, make a statement. These candle holders can actually lighten up the living space and it looks so beautiful all year round. Or these little diya stands or this tray, these candles, great gifting items. Or you can actually invest in these big candles which make the space really look so stunning and so classy. Or you can add a pop of color with the red cushion or the golden cushions and make your space come alive. Home decor is just the best. Well, that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, jaldi se please subscribe kar do yaar. Please, बहुत मेहनत लगती है YouTube videos बनाने के लिए. So like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. YouTube community, you've always been there for me and I can't appreciate you enough. I know that I come here very less, but अगर मुझे ज़्यादा देखना है तो please जाओ Instagram पे भी मुझे follow कर लो. But no, I'm never giving up on you. I will always be there for my YouTube community. For now, I really hope that you enjoyed the looks. Like I said, all of these things are from Nykaa Fashion, from the Nykaa Fashion app. The links are going to be in the description. Well, that's it, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.